Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we are diving into what many consider the best postpartum dress for women after birth. The Ekouaer 3-in-1 labor, delivery, and hospital gown maternity dress nursing nightgown sleepwear designed specifically for breastfeeding. This versatile piece is crafted to accompany you through pregnancy, labor, and the postpartum period, offering comfort, functionality, and style all in one. The Ekouaer maternity nursing dress is made from a blend of 95% polyester and 5% spandex, delivering a soft, stretchy fabric that is gentle on sensitive skin during pregnancy. Its design takes into consideration the physical changes a woman experiences, making it ideal for the growing belly and postpartum recovery. The material is lightweight enough to keep you cool in warmer weather yet thick enough to provide coverage that flatters your figure, especially if you're concerned about hiding pregnancy-related weight gain. One of the standout features of this dress is its thoughtful V-neck design. This neckline not only adds a touch of elegance, but also serves a practical purpose, allowing easy access for labor and breastfeeding without compromising modesty. Whether you are in the hospital or at home, the V-neck makes nursing simpler and more discreet. The elastic waistline deserves special mention. Unlike many maternity gowns that can feel restrictive, this dress has a thin elastic band that gathers fabric comfortably around the waist. This allows the dress to expand and contract with your changing body, ensuring that it fits throughout pregnancy, labor, and postpartum without causing pressure on your belly or discomfort. Another design element that adds to its versatility is the split front flap, which facilitates nursing and medical examinations with ease. This means you won't have to struggle with cumbersome layers or awkward adjustments during important moments. Beyond its function as a labor and delivery gown, the Ekouaer dress is stylish enough to wear casually outside the hospital. It provides a graceful silhouette, allowing new mothers to feel confident and comfortable while running errands or simply relaxing at home. The dress transitions seamlessly from maternity wear to nursing nightgown and even to postpartum pajamas. Especially suitable for mothers recovering from cesarean sections. Taking care of this dress is simple since it is machine washable. This makes it a practical addition to any new mom's wardrobe, as it can withstand the frequent washing that postpartum clothing often requires. The product is imported and designed with attention to detail, aimed at providing the best possible experience for women navigating the many stages of motherhood. It comes in various colors and sizes to suit individual preferences and body types. Overall, the Ekouaer 3-in-1 maternity nursing dress offers a blend of comfort, practicality, and style that few postpartum dresses achieve. Whether you need something for labor, breastfeeding, or just comfortable everyday wear after birth, this dress is made to support you through it all with ease. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're expecting or a new mom looking for versatile maternity wear, the Ekouaer dress is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest reviews. See you next time.